Review and compare. This time it's Talking Spencer. How convenient that I have two Talking Spencers. That has to be fucking convenient. Alright, that's actually really convenient. And yes, I will do another review and compare. Now, let's see here. It's the same toy line, except it's different. For example, this Spencer was older, as you can tell by the magnets and how much play there was. I actually lost something at a Chuck E. Cheese. It was the other toy I got with him, which was a talking Royal James. And then this Spencer came along. As you can see, I gave him a full firebox. Gave this one a whistle. Now let's look at the engine first. So I can remember which tender is which. Sneak peek. Alright, first up, the engine. Let's start with the old one first, because Take and Play is dead. Alright, you can tell it's really old because look at the color of the engine and look at the color of the wheels and the friggin' face. Look at it. It's all rusted and old. It's turned beige and orange and colors that Spencer should never be. And recently I found new Spencer's tender because I lost it. And only this one works. That's his whistle. And I'm still angry that a CD game called him a diesel, which is clearly incorrect. He has a friggin' funnel right there. And what diesel has pistons? Or nameplates for that matter. Or a firebox. Is it because he is a square shape? If it's because he's square, is a square/rectangular shape, then that's a really dumb reason. So that's it for the engines. Now for the tenders. So the old tender has this giant thing, so it looks like this. Also, it has 3 wheels. Yeah, I forgot to mention. On the old Spencer, to each other. On the old Spencer, he had 5 wheels. He had 10 wheels. Of course, in real life, he had 20 wheels because there were 2 extra wheels. I mean 14 wheels. But on the other model, it's yeah. I also have a Trackmaster Spencer, but it's a Grand Spencer. That was part of the new DVD that introduced Philip. It was 6 episodes of DVD, so yeah, don't expect anything good. Nowadays, they just have these tiny nubs for wheels, which is clearly not correct. Think of it, people. So yeah, he just has these nubs. One on the front and one on the back where wheels used to be. And now for the tenders. Alright. And it weighs back to the tenders. What I meant to say. Now obviously the new Take and Play only accepts as smaller wooden railway magnets. Now let's look at them. The engines for detail. So on the back, because the sides aren't that different, you can see that the older one is much bigger. Thus, and the old version, yeah, so the older version, and
I'm Spencer the Grand.
yeah, Spencer the Grand. They actually have made it bigger. But still, the old version is way bigger than the other version. Also, it has 3 wheels, like I just stated. So, which one would I say is better? New or old? Should I say old or new? New or old? Old or new? We need help. I know. Thomas, what would you say? I would say the one that looks more like Spencer. Percy, I would say the one that has 3 wheels on his tender. Alright, Lightning McQueen? I don't know about trains, but I'm trying to look. Why do you have 2 of the same engine? No, they're different. Do I have to bring you up here? Also, could you do a review of me soon? Yeah, sure. Which one would you say is better? Let's see here. Which one would you recommend? It's up to you. Oh, come on. Well, I want to get this fast. So, this one. The old one? Yeah. Alright. Well, you heard it there, folks. 2 points for the old versions, which means the old version wins. Duh. Well, too bad. Don't worry, there's always next time. When the Adventures version comes. What?